BCom is not the only option for you after 12th standard. Watch this video till the end to understand great career options in commerce after 12th standard. I'm Megha Bansali, ACCA and the Indian Chartered Accountant. The most common and popular courses that we have heard of in commerce are BCom and BBA. But what if you don't want to pursue them and you're not looking at pursuing a professional qualification? Then do not feel stuck, because I bring to you the list of most trending, popular and latest graduation options in commerce. To begin with, first one, which is very traditional, bachelor's in accounting and finance. So if you're someone who's not looking at doing a professional course like CA, ACCA, CMA, but still want to do something in the field of finance, that is your interest, then Bachelor in Accounting and Finance is the course for you. And the next best course for you could be Bachelor's in Banking and Finance. In case you are looking at joining any sort of banks and that is your area of interest, then you can pursue this graduation. If you are someone who is looking at a banking job or looking to pursue in the field of insurance, then you can do this graduation. Moving on to the third option that I have for you is Bachelor in Computer Application. Now, if you are a commerce graduate, but your interest lies in computer technology, AI, coding, which is the need of the hour, then please pursue BCA, because this is a very good career option, and with technology, AI taking over all the place, this course can definitely give a good kickstart to your career. If you are interested in hotel management, hospitality, then BHM is also a good option for you, Bachelor in Hotel Management, wherein you get to learn how to manage an entire restaurant or an entire 5-star hotel. So this is something, if your passion calls you, then this career option is also very good for you. Moving on to also a very high demanding career is digital marketing. There are a lot of universities offering bachelor in digital marketing, which is required by every small business. You can also start doing freelancing work by pursuing this career. You will learn in and out about digital marketing, which is required by every business. There is no limit for digital marketing. So if you're creative, if that is your calling, then you can also look at doing bachelor's in digital marketing. And lastly guys, this option is available at very limited universities, so you'll have to do little research on this, but bachelor's in entrepreneurship is quite trending, quite popular. If you want to be an entrepreneur like me, then definitely this can be the course for you, wherein you will get to learn A to Z of starting your business. You know how to do customer acquisition, how do you look at marketing, how do you handle people, management, everything in and out. So that can also be your graduation course. So I hope from this video you have understood what are the different career options in the field of commerce, which are not traditional BCom and BBA, not even professional courses. I have tried to do a lot of research, to be very honest, for this video, so that you get great alternative options after 12th standard. So that you don't feel lost and you don't feel lack of guidance after 12th standard. Do drop in a comment below if you require any further assistance and on how you found this information. And guys, please do not forget to share it with more of your commerce friends. Do like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more such content. Till then, take care. See you all.